Good morning guys! Punta tayo ngayon sa China. So, maaga dapat kasi 7:30 or 7:15 ba yun? Kailangan nasa boundary na kami ng Hong Kong and China. Doon ang meet up namin sa Lowu. So, ayan guys, ako yung pinakauna. So, dumating ako dito mga 5:30. Mga ganun. Sirado pa ang MTR. Wala pang, hindi pa bukas. Ayan guys, sirado pa. So kailangan ko kasing mag-catch up yung first train going to Lowu. Kung saan doon kami meet up ng aming mga kasamahan. So ayan guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Lowu at papasok na tayo sa immigration. Papunta ng China. Na kami sa bus papuntang Zhuhai. We're going to Zhuhai, guys.
Like get married to local farmer because the local farmer they are very close. He would have interesting about to you. Okay, so and we can see the fishing girl statue. Do you understand me? Because maybe sometimes my pronunciation have some problem. Statue.
Zhuhai.
Yes, statue, right? Yeah, Zhuhai fishing girl. And then we go to lunch. Lunchtime around 11:10. Around 11:10. Because right now, if I need to go to the restaurant, not opening yet. It's so early. It's too early. So after fishing girl, after Lovers Row, and we go to the restaurant. The lunch 1 minute only from the top to the ground. Oh, you will Zhuhai. 1,000 years ago, 100 years ago, there is a beautiful view because close to sea. That is the coastal, the seaside coastal. So later, when you see the Lovers Road, you can feel it. Oh, Zhuhai people, they are so romantic. So that's why the legend, the story, come from the romantic lovers. To the statue, we can see she held a huge pearl to you, to everybody. Okay, so we will go there and take some photo. It's beautiful photo there. Okay, find a beautiful position. Just find the position to watch sunrise, sunset. It's so romantic. Photo on the Lovers Road. So many. Okay, and so today here by a man falling love. Okay, by a man falling love just because we are on the Lovers Road, dear Morgan. We stay there around 20 minutes, and you don't need carry all the things. You don't need. Just carry the important things only. Okay, such as like the water, like the umbrella, the backpack. Okay, something you can leave on the bus. It's safe. No problem. It's safe. 20 minutes only, and then we will go to lunch. I believe. Okay, you are hungry right now, right?
Yeah.
Everybody's so hungry. Okay. After photo, we go to lunch. Wow, Lovers Row.
Wow.
Lovers Row. Where is the local farmer? I like to looking for one.
Maraming mga benta-benta, pero wag kang magbenta. Dito kami guys sa Lovers Road. Ito yung First stop namin bago kami kakain. So, ayan na guys, itong tinatawag nilang iconic place ng Zhuhai, itong Lovers Road, at saka itong Lady Fish statue. So, ayan guys, after namin dito, mag-lunch na kami.
Malawak siya.
Vegetable. So many. So 9 dishes on the table. 9 dishes, you know. Usually in Shenzhen only 8 dishes, but today 9 dishes. I believe that is very enough to you. Very enough. Okay. So some Maganda, they always joking to me, and they said eating and photos.
Namin na pupuntahan para sa loob. Kain na tayo.
Pati koknik ayaw mong ipakuha? Sorry. Ano na?
Sandali lang, sandali lang.
Mamaya ka nakalublob. Kaya buksan mo yung cook. Buksan mo yung cook. Ay, bakit may lubog mo?
ayan guys, after namin kumain, pupunta na kami sa aming next destination. Ito yung pangalawang puntahan namin. Itong magandang park dito sa Zhuhai.
住在珠海，我住在深圳，我的个人从深圳来的。
Papunta na kami sa cable car, guys. Kuha pa yung ticket yung ano namin, tawag dito, tour guide. So, ayan mga ka-wonders, may ticket na tayo. So, ito po yung mga ride na masakyan natin dito aside sa cable car. So, ito po yung sakyan natin. So, later guys, sasakay muna tayo ng cable cars, paakyat, and then, pag pababa na natin, ito yung sakyan natin, itong sliding cars. So, now, abangan nyo sa part 2 ng aking vlog. So, at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa next update ng aking upload.